Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Emily. I thought today we could read a book called A Day in the Life of a Construction Worker because we're learning about community helpers. And we can see what construction workers do. When do construction workers start their day? Most construction workers start their days early in the morning. They like to work outside when it's cool and bright out. Brad is in charge of many workers and projects. He goes to an office before heading to the job sites. What do construction workers do? Construction workers do different tasks. Some build roads, other workers build homes or offices. Construction workers dig, pound, cut, and measure. 7 o'clock in the morning. Wow, so early. Do construction workers work alone? Construction workers work together in crews. Brad checks to make sure the foundation crew has enough people for the job. A driver backs up the concrete truck. Another worker moves the chute. The rest of the crew spreads the concrete with shovels and trowels. How do construction workers stay safe? Can you show me safe in sign language? Safe. How do they stay safe? Well, construction workers use clothing and equipment to stay safe. Brad wears strong boots to protect his feet. He wears a hard hat while checking supplies at the site. The framing crews use safety glasses when they cut boards and earplugs when it's so loud from the saws and hammers. Where do construction workers eat lunch? Where do you think they eat lunch? Do you think they eat at the park? Picnic day? Let's see. Most construction workers eat lunch at the job site. Some bring a packed lunch. Others buy their meals from a lunch truck. Brad gives water to everyone. Without enough water, workers could get too hot. Who helps construction workers? Many people help construction workers. Architects and designers help draw plans. Contractors run the projects. Inspectors also help construction workers. They check the work to make sure it meets the city building codes. An inspector helps Brad check the roof is safe and waterproof. How do construction workers know what to build? How do they know? Right now, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Construction workers follow plans. The plans tell workers how to build things. Brad reads the plans in his kitchen. He's reading the plans in his kitchen for his new kitchen. He makes sure the crew follows the plans exactly. He checks if there's enough space in the sink. What happens at the end of a construction worker's day? The end of the day is at 4 p.m. Before construction workers leave, they make sure the job is clean and safe. The crew loads garbage into a bin. They sweep up any nails left on the road. Brad piles siding neatly. He checks tomorrow's schedule before heading home. Amazing but true. The Great Wall of China. Wow. The Great Wall of China is one of the world's longest construction projects. It's about 4,000 miles long. Work began on the Great Wall 25,000 years ago. Or 2,500 years ago. Sorry. 2,500 years ago. Look at all this equipment they have. Wow. Hard hat, plans, toolbox, vest, tool belt, boots, gloves, saw, a cord, a water jug, a ladder, and cones. And a wheelbarrow. The end. Bye, everyone. I hope you have a good time building your own creation today. Goodbye.